What's going on, YouTube? So check it out, guys. I have been reviewing the Jordan Maxins different colors over the last few months, all right? I have about 2 to 3 of them on my YouTube channel right now, okay? And they've been getting views, all right? So what I want to ask you guys to do is, if you have any particular Jordan Maxin color that you want me to review, just put it in my comment section. Just say, hey, Sky Dupes, I want such and such. I want you to review that. And I got you, all right? Popular demand. So I'm going to be unboxing the Jordan Maxin 200 Game Royale Volt Black White. That's a particular color that I am reviewing today, okay? If you don't have these shoes yet, they come in a box that looks just like this, all right? Wrapped in the sheets, it says 23, all right? Let's take a look at it. Let's see what it looks like. Let me give you guys a 360. Now, guys, these Jordan Maxins, a little information for you guys, was designed after the Jordan 5, okay? And we all know what the Jordan 5 is. It's legendary. You understand what I'm saying? But this particular Jordan Maxin is Game Royale Volt Black and White, all right? These colors right here are on fire. I love these colors. You understand what I'm saying? The Volt actually make the entire sneaker stand out, and I love that, all right? It's all made of leather, synthetic, and textile. Made of very, very hard rubber soles, all right? Like I said in my other videos, these are very good quality shoes, all right? If you play basketball, you got to have one of these on you, you know what I'm saying? They'll give you the performance that you need, all right? They're high tops, okay? So they protect your ankles, okay? And it gives you support, all right? So when you lean into it, you're locked in. So you see these patterns inside the shoe right here, good for your ankles. You understand what I'm saying? These right here, I'll go for 120 retail. All right, and these are fire, man. These are fire. I just love the design. This actually reminds me of the 11s. You know what I'm saying? These kind of remind me of the 11s because the 11s got that smooth pattern leather over here. You understand what I'm saying? Take a look at the tongue. You see the Jordan logo, okay? And this is made of leather. And then when you look at the back, it's got the Jordan logo also in black. Look at the bottom and see that Volt color, the Jordan logo underneath that. Very, very strong rubbery bottom. And I'm telling you guys this, man, if you play basketball with these, it's not gonna get messed up easily, all right? Because of such a strong sole, you know what I mean? The strong bottom. Rarely do you see kicks made like this with good quality like this. You know what I mean? These should actually be expensive than what they are. You know, so for the quality that it's offering, it should be more expensive than what they are. Okay? I've now come to the end of my video, guys. Thank you for watching my video. Okay? If you're new at this channel, click that subscribe button. If you're not new, click that like button and click that share button. Thank you again, everybody, for watching my video. And until next time, I'm gonna see you guys later. One easy.